Salam sejahtera, my name is Kelvin Santana Anthony. My matrix number is 10 DIT4B 1155. Myself and my group will be presenting about the PBA presentation for business intelligence. I'll be briefing about the ETL step. So the very first step of ETL is actually to extract the raw data from different sources. It could be in Excel, CSV, and etc. So to perform these steps, we first need to click get data and click on transform to clean the inconsistent and messy data. So without cleaning it, it will cause an error in visuals and calculations in the reports. So next, after doing that, we must check in each column to identify and fix errors so that the data set will be consistent. So in both of this column, which is stock and review count, there are 0 values, so we need to uncheck that. So click on filter symbol, uncheck 0 and click OK. So this 0 values is actually representing the missing and invalid data. If it is let in, they can distort the averages, lower totals artificially, and mislead their analysis. Next is actually to be continued, where we're changing the data types for each column. So this usually means fixing the data types, which is like turning decimals into setting prices as fixed decimals. So we need to click the number beside the column name, then changes to the correct and appropriate data types. So fixing the fixed decimal locks the number of decimal places, which is usually in 2 of the currency. So we need to repeat the same step for the other column too. So next you're seeing there, where for the discount column, initially we changed the data type to percentage. The system interpreted the 2.1 as 210%. So which is incorrect. So we need to click on transform, standard, then goes to divide and set the value as 100 and change the data type to percentage. So it ensures the discount values are scaled correctly. The final is the cleanup. Before the analysis, we need to remove the duplicates and blank rows. We need to hold the Ctrl key in the keyboard and click in all column in the Power BI and click on remove duplicates and blank rows. So this ensures the dataset is accurate, consistent, so the insights generated are trustworthy and professional. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jin Wai and my matrix number is 1139. Next, I will present about the DAX that we use in this project. So the first DAX is called total revenue. It will sum up all the final price that under the fact sales table. And this DAX can total up all the final price column and show exactly how much the money has been collected across all the category and the brands. So the second DAX is called average shipping time. It will count the average shipping times day that under the fact sales. So this DAX first is sum up all the shipping duration and divides them by the total numbers of order and can get the average shipping days. So the last is called review. It's a DAX that it counts the amount for every product by multiplying the rating of the product and the review count of the product. So this DAX goes through the team product table row by row and multiplies the rating by the review count. And this DAX can create a weighted quality score. Be like example, a 5-star rating from a one person is less important than a 4-star rating from 1,000%. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Devendra and my metric number is 10DIT24F1128. For this project, our main goal was to transform raw and unstructured data into meaningful insights and develop a dashboard to support business decision making. Firstly, we successfully cleaned and prepared the dataset by removing missing values, fixing data types, and eliminating duplicates. This ensures that our data was accurate and reliable for analysis. Secondly, we were able to analyze business performance effectively. We identified key metrics such as total revenue, top performing product categories, and the impact of discount on sales. Next, we developed an interactive dashboard that includes KPI indicators, charts, and filters. This allows users to easily understand the data and explore different aspects of business performance. Finally, the dashboard provides meaningful insights that support decision making, such as identifying high revenue categories and highlighting areas like shipping performance that need improvement. Overall, we can conclude that all objectives of this project were successfully achieved. That's all from us. Thank you so much.
To the final part, which is the dashboard summary. So for the total revenue, which is 9.92 billion, we have used the cut, this is the headline metric showing the overall sales. Next, we are using the average shipping time versus target. We use KPI, where this compares the actual delivery speed against the goal. Next, we use the brand filter, which is the slicer. It allows drilling down by the brand. So when the user clicks on the brand, it produces a specific output. And after that, we use the data table. It concludes of the product ID, brand, average shipping time, and review. This shows a detailed performance at product at the brand level. And last but not least, we use the bar chart, which is the revenue by category. This helps identify which product categories drive the most revenue and where growth opportunities may lie. Thanks.